stop snoring with these 5 yoga asanas. Snoring disturbs sleep and causes hypertension, headache and sleep apnea. Yoga, being a natural therapy, offers great benefits to people who struggle to sleep without spoiling someone else's. 1. The snore trouble. Some people are continually battling with snoring, and whatever they try as to reduce it, all goes in vain. Or, they may work, but only for a short period of time. Anti-snoring devices and other methods have disappointed users by not giving the desired results. 2. Natural snoring cures. Making lifestyle changes can help you lower your degree of snoring problem. Yoga is one of the easiest and most fun ways to make these changes. Yoga should quickly decrease your snoring. However, unlike other methods, the changes will continue to become more and more dramatic the longer you continue with your daily yoga regimen. 3. How yoga helps decrease snoring. Yoga exercises help increase blood circulation and lung capacity, as well as ensure that your air passages remain completely open. They also help to strengthen the muscles in your throat and face. All of these effects go a long way towards decreasing or even completely eliminating snoring problems. 4. Alom Vilom. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Close your eyes and breathe deeply through your nose. Inhale through your nostrils, producing a raspy sound. Contract the muscles in your neck and hold your breath as long as you can. Hold one nostril and exhale through the other. Hold the second nostril and exhale through the first. Repeat this exercise 3 to 5 times a day. 5. Pranayama. Sit on a mat on the floor, with legs crossed. Spine should be erect and head straight. Face should look forward. Take a deep breath and hold it for as long as comfortable. During this time, think that the prana, energetic breath, that you have taken. Exhale slowly. Exhaling period should be longer than inhaling period. 6. Brahmari or humming bee pose. Sit up straight, and place your index fingers on your ears. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, gently press the cartilage. You can keep the cartilage pressed or press it in and out with your fingers, while making a loud humming sound like a bee. Breathe in again and continue the same pattern for 6-7 times. 7. Ujjayi Pranayama or hissing pose. Start by inhaling. Your breath should be gentle and relaxed as you slightly contract the back of your throat. Then make a steady hissing sound as you inhale. The sound generated should be low and pleasing to the ear. Stretch your inhale and the exhale as much as you can without generating tension anywhere in your body, and let the sound of the breath be smooth and unbroken. 8. Simagajānasana or O-ring pose. Sit on the floor with your legs folded under your body and let your hips rest on your heels. Spread your thighs and place your palms on the floor between your knees, so that your wrists point outward and your fingers point inwards. Lean forward, tilt your head back and inhale deeply. Then open your mouth, extend your tongue out and exhale slowly. Repeat these steps 3 times. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.